Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today's a Dollar Tree haul. If you guys have not been to Dollar Tree, you might want to go out there because so far every Dollar Tree I've been into had Christmas stuff. Yep, I know, it's early. My stomach can't handle Christmas quite yet. I am ready for fall and the fall weather, but you know, get it while it's there. Let's do Christmas first because Christmas is fun and we all do love Christmas, don't get me wrong. I don't really like the way I'm positioned with all this in the background. Kind of bought, okay, we're gonna move over tad. Okay, I mean, I don't know how much better that is. Now you can see a junk up here that I didn't take care of before this video. Christmas first. Mini Christmas trees with little wood bases on them. I will get a look right here, show you guys what they look like opened. These are cool and you can do so many crafts with these. What? I don't know. But ornaments. There's one. So here we go. That's why I bought them for ornaments. But I had to buy 3 packages of them because you can't just buy one thing. Also, I will put a picture right here somewhere. I'll put a picture up of all of the bottle brush Christmas trees. I've never seen this many bottle brush Christmas trees at Dollar Tree. Usually they're like for the little Christmas villages or the little fairy garden type things. Anyway, they had all kinds of colors, all kinds. These are the 2 that kind of caught my eye. I just kind of, you know, I wanted to buy the purple. I wanted to, you know, no, we're staying with some regular old Christmas. But I love these bases. Those are super cool. This one has little balls on it that has hot glue all over everything. But I really like these and I love these little, it's a faux wood, it's not real, it kind of almost feels styrofoamy, but yeah, I got these. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, I got 5 of these and I got 4 of these ones, so 9. These always make really cool like centerpieces, like to decorate your tier trays with. They had larger ones, they had smaller ones, they had all different kinds of sizes. 3.5 minutes talking about bottle brush trees. Let's move on. They also had this Pinecone Garland. They had a few different colors. They had gold, silver, red, and green, possibly. I can't, oh man. You know, I really need to start like taking pictures. My Dollar Tree doesn't like me filming in there. I used to like a long time ago, and like every time I do that, they'd get all like, I don't know. Granted, I have a YouTube channel, but I don't like filming in stores or around people. It's still weird to me. I'm not like a vlogger, so you know, I like to stay in my craft room by myself, happily ever after. So yeah, so I picked up 2 of these little Pinecone garlands. Even if you didn't like the colors, you could always spray paint them into something different. The next thing I grabbed were these color your own ornaments. I'm a sucker for the truck. I will buy it every single time. You can color it tons of different colors and it always looks really great. So I grabbed this one and then I grabbed trees. I've done a lot of DIYs with this kind of stuff for fall this year, and I thought that hopefully maybe I would be able to do kind of the same crafts with these as I did for fall. You know, just switch of seasons, holidays, snowflakes. And then I grabbed some of these stickers. I actually already have an idea for these, so I picked up 2 of these just in case. I know last year these, like once these were gone, they were completely gone at mine. I don't know what it was, maybe because they're wood and wood's fun to use, but grabbed those. And I grabbed some plain trees, just 3 of these. I did some DIYs last year with wooden Christmas trees and I thought I could come up with something new this year. I also grabbed this decor. This says peace, joy, believe, these little galvanized words. I've actually never found these at my Dollar Tree for Christmas. This is the first year I have been able to find these. So I'm kind of excited. I always feel like I have to grab these, although I think I did for fall and maybe use 1 out of 3 words. So I don't know. I think these will be fun to use this year. There's always so many different ideas you can do with Christmas versus fall. And Christmas is holiday and fall is a season, so I don't really know why I'm comparing the 2, but fall is kind of like its own holiday on its own. The last Christmas thing I grabbed was just 2 of these bulbs. I love redoing these, and I know they're gnomes and people love the gnomes. There's lots of gnomes and gnomes. I don't like them at all. I don't like gnomes. No. The Dollar Tree I went to today actually had a ton of gnome stuff, so be on the lookout if you guys are gnome lovers, because they're gonna go crazy this year. They're going crazy already, which, you know, do you guys think it's funny that it is not even the first day of fall yet and there's Christmas stuff in the Dollar Tree? Are you gonna go after this stuff? Are you gonna wait? Is it just one of those things like you walk by it and you grab it? You know, there's always a love-hate relationship with Dollar Tree, no matter who you are. All right, some fun stuff I found. I picked up these this year, similar. This says you are meant for big things, happily ever after. There's like a white frame and like this wood color frame. I picked up 3 of each color. There was so many at my Dollar Tree, but I used something similar recently in a DIY video and I loved them. I loved using them. I love that you don't have to like tear this apart. They just kind of come out the back just like a normal picture frame, and you're good to go to do whatever you want with this. Add some scrapbook paper, add some fun decor, add whatever you want, but I love these. Had to pick up that many. I also found some fun like border stickers, is that what they're called? Jewel stickers. I'm gonna call them border stickers because it's probably what I'm gonna use them for. These I thought were super pretty, and if you don't like the black color, you can always paint them. I like the black color, although sometimes I like to use these as borders and then like paint over them. It works great. Just don't forget to add these before you start painting, because then you gotta paint again. It's just a whole thing. Don't do it. More of these little stickers. These are actually like all in rows, so once you pull like one of them off, they all come with it, which these are also fun, and they're red, and red is, you know, for Christmas. So grab these. And then these, I have not bought these in a long time, and they're getting a little chintzy on their packaging. I bought these before, and I swear they had like 6 to 9 rows of these. Now they only have 3, so we got a problem, Dollar Tree. One thing I was super excited to find was more crates. They only had 3. I've been like searching for these since I did a bunch of crate videos. They only had 3, so I did pick them, all 3 of them up. I was being a little selfish here, but you know, when you can only get 3 and it's taking you months to find, I bet you would have grabbed them too. Well, I also found some more of these little palette coasters. I love these, so picked up 4 of those. These were back in stock at my Dollar Tree. I love using these for everything. These are fun to use. If you have a Cricut, they're fun. If you I do a lot of like chalk couture, which I love chalk couture, love it. But I thought this would be a really fun base for that. And making like a fun little tiny Christmas countdown, Christmas signs. If you're still doing fall, you could do fall signs. I'm actually gonna be doing fall till probably mid-October, and then I'll be jumping onto the Christmas bandwagon, probably like everyone else already will be doing at that time, but I'm just not ready for Christmas yet. When I start Christmas DIYs, I want to be able to decorate my house with Christmas, but I also don't want pumpkins on my front porch. It's really just one of those things. Do what makes you happy. That's what I always say. And I just yawned. I really am not crying. Also found these little chalkboards as well, and these have the little things that stick out of the back like this, and I just have not seen chalkboards in a long time, so I just picked up 2 of these in hopes to use these for Christmas as well. And a lot of this is for Christmas DIYs, and I say I already have a lot of fall stuff lined up, so I just really want to start kind of, you know, weeding all the fall stuff out and then bringing Christmas stuff in. Okay? No. The next thing I found was just this little galvanized piece, a little circle. These are always really fun to use too. I found these little greenery pots. I picked up 3 of these. I think these are really cute. I think it's a really great deal for only $1. I feel like you would find things like this in the Target $1 spot. So, you know, $1, $1, Dollar Tree. The last thing I was really excited to find was this. It's wallpaper. It's sticky wallpaper. I thought this was neat. It kind of, you know, it's better than buying scrapbook paper, and you get a pretty big size. What size is this? Let's see. 11 by 16. This was the only one that they had, although I seen they're kind of setting a bunch of different ones up. They just didn't have any. Maybe they might have been gone. But this says that it is really great if you want to style a bookcase or your wall or even stairs. That's kind of a cool idea, although I feel like if you washed this, it would come off. Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, I thought this was really cool. This is the last thing I got. That is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you are in search of Christmas stuff already, are you ready to do Christmas stuff? Do you do craft shows and you'd like to do Christmas stuff early? Because I can totally understand if you'd have to do Christmas now. Then that is a-okay. If it makes you happy, it is okay too. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love you to consider sticking around and subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!